Make a great choice today with the 2015 K900. The Kia K900 provides everything you could ask for in a luxury sedan. High-quality interior craftsmanship is met with a muscular but elegant exterior styling. The K900 also offers the latest in technology integration and a long list of upscale features and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.